What is Reverie? A state of being pleasantly lost in one's thought, a daydream. That's exactly the way you're going to feel living in this active adult 55 plus community called Reverie. Hollings model here at Reverie at TrailMark. Now, in this 55 active adult community, there are tons of different floor plans to choose from. In fact, you've got 3 different collections. You have 3 floor plans in the Grove collection, 5 floor plans to choose from in the Meadow, and an additional 5 floor plans to choose in the Orchard Estates. Now, these all range in different lot sizes. So from just under 1,500 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 2-car garage, all the way up to over 3,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a 3-car garage. What's great about these floor plans is they've really taken into consideration some of the things about your lifestyle, whether that be entertaining, relaxing along, watching TV, a wine room, a separate office, a reading room. You can transform this home into what you want. From large laundry rooms to having Winston have his own area, this is truly customizable. And if you come right over here, you're gonna see this exercise room, which is perfect for your active lifestyle. Bring it indoors or outdoors. Located within Reverie, the soon-to-be-built amenity center, it's called The Retreat. This is a gated access community with over 4,600 square feet of Lakeside clubhouse. You're going to have indoor and outdoor social spaces, clubhouse, fire pit, and fitness center, a pool and spa, catering kitchen, 6 tournament class pickleball courts with center court, additional sports courts including bocce ball. And don't forget, you're going to have a beer garden with pavilion under the gorgeous oak hammock, and also for your foodies, a food truck and farmers market pavilion. As a resident of Reverie, you have access to all that TrailMark has to offer, including their amenity centers and those 24 miles of hiking, biking trails. Phase 2 should be starting to sell in the summer of 2022. So if you're wanting to get on a VIP list when that phase opens and learn more about Reverie, contact our team. So if you're ready to let your fun side shine, come live in Reverie.